I got it here, new design, but also I think this is a vintage invention. This is a straw with a filter at the end of it for coffee. So regular straw over here, I think. Oh wow, never mind, there's something inside of it. How do we take it out? I guess like this. So there's a cleaning rod, so if you have to clean it. It has the cover, you could use it or don't, it's up to you. I guess it kind of looks cooler with this plastic cover. I kind of do like it the way it looks. Not sure if you're supposed to keep it or not, but maybe you can take it apart for cleaning. And then it goes right here. And this is perfect for camping whenever you don't want to bring those giant like coffee makers or like foldable things. You just bring the straw and put the coffee grinds inside the cup and drink it from it, and it will not go through. So we'll add some coffee in, boom, just in a cup, that's all you need. And then you can brew it with just in a cup. Without this straw, you'll be drinking all that coffee. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, let's try it out. Hopefully nothing will get to it. I do like it how easy it is to clean it, to take it apart. There goes nothing. I guess this side here so it doesn't get too hot or something. Ooh, hot. But you know what's cool? Look at the granules on that. And I did not taste any granules at all when I'm drinking it. Wow, that's actually really easy. I have to wait till it cools off because when you drink it through the straw, really hot drink, all that heat concentrate on one spot, so it is extra hot. But yeah, that's a cool little gadget. Check this out. No granules going through at all. And you know what? I do like drinking tea, and a lot of times you have a tea bag and stuff, but why buy a tea bag if you can buy a whole pack of tea that is loose tea, a lot cheaper? Just drink it through the straw like that. It's kind of interesting way to drink coffee. I don't really drink coffee through the straw, but this kind of cool for camping, might be very useful. Got it here pretty cool gadgets. This right here is Blowtorch, totally redesigned. Never seen anything like this. So let's plug it in. I think the only adjustment is right here. It does not have a striker though. So you have to use another lighter to light it up. Might have to turn off the lights. So it's very powerful, as you can see. And also it's very adjustable. Depends what you need. So there's a couple settings. You see, power, more of a flame, and more powerful. So just turn this and it will adjust. Whoa! Look at these settings. If you pull it off, it is very powerful. If you close this, less power, and then you turn this, there's just a regular flame. That is cool. I wish it had self-starter and regulator a little bit too sensitive. You see, you can really adjust it to the regular flame, medium, and very powerful. So unique. I never seen anything like that. It's like a jet right here. Wow, that's insane. The biggest improvements they need to do, regulator is too sensitive, and also it does not have a starter. If it had self-starting mechanism, it would be even better. But I think this is a cool regulator, pretty easy to use. Also, it looks like it's made out of brass and it has this kind of like edges in here. It cools off pretty quickly. I like that. Got it here, Autofish Grubber. This is kind of a vintage item, but still kind of old stock, I guess. So it's new vintage. You could probably find them on eBay. That's why I bought mine. It's all feels like made out of aluminum. Oh wow, that's cool. So to open it, I guess there's tension inside here of some sort. I kind of like it that it's aluminum because salt water would deteriorate it. And look at that, if you pull on that, at some point it will kind of like locks it in. So that's cool. Let's try to grab something like a little box. You'd have to hold it. Interesting. So it's in a way, it's like a glove. Boom. And it locks it into where you have to unfold it. Boom. There's nothing like that is sharp in here or anything. It's just like a little grabber that is aluminum. Very interesting and unique. Obviously it's made for really big fish. So deep water fishing and things like that. What do you guys think? I never seen anything like that. Thought it would be better materials than aluminum, but at the same time, seems to be it's made out of everything aluminum, so at least the salt water will not deteriorate it. But it's kind of cool. It looks like a claw, like one of those lobster claw. Would you use it, or would you use it like a gaff or something, or a fish net? I like fish net better. Thought this is just a cool gadget. I showed you this personal keychain alarms before. This is a raised band alarm for running, because you're not going to bring keys with you, so that's kind of cool. In case you're running in the mountains and there's bears, like where I live, there's black bears everywhere. Even on my land there's black bears, so it could be cool against even coyotes and things like that. So how does this work? You just adjust it in. You know, I also didn't realize how big North Carolina black bears are. They go up to 600, 400 pounds. They're really, really big. So check this out. How does this work? All you have to do is just pull this and it will alarm. Let's see. Oh, no. His battery is dead or something. Oh, I have to pull this out right here. Now the battery is activated, and ooh, that is incredibly loud. Obviously camera microphone will not give a justice because it will reduce the sound, and plus you can adjust your speakers, but it's incredibly loud. Well, it's kind of hard to put it back in with one hand, but it's kind of nice. Whenever you run, all you have to do is push it up. A little bit too stretchy. I wish it did not do that to where it's like wanna come off. Wow, that is so loud. Super interesting. You can still put it on a keychain right here, but it's kind of fun to put it on a wristband arm so you don't have to reach your pocket to grab it. It's always next to you. So I've never seen one of these inventions before. It's definitely very unique. Some people definitely will like it, especially if they are running around like in the Yellowstone and stuff. Like there's a mountain lions, what else they have? Grizzlies, moose, giant deer over there. You never know. I've seen those videos that people have to defend themselves. Who knows? That could be helpful, and other things obviously too.